Hello, I'm Roselle with FarmerBrown Insurance Agency. We've put together this informative video for you. I hope you enjoy. What can I do if my credit score is below 700? The first thing you must realize is obtaining the bid bond regularly with minimum hassle is the goal you should have to grow your business. We want to establish a long-term mutual beneficial relationship with your business. This growth may take time and effort. In situations where the personal credit is not good, a credit report should be obtained. This report should be reviewed carefully for any errors. Errors can be disputed online with all major credit bureaus. Another easy way to raise your credit score is by reducing your credit balances. Be careful though not to close any current accounts because this may actually have a negative effect on your credit. Can I post collateral? The answer to this question is yes. Surety companies will take collateral in most instances. This option is generally not feasible for small contractors. The reason for this is that surety companies will require either cash or an irrevocable letter of credit to secure any bonds issued. This amount could vary from 20 to 40% of the contract price. It has been our experience that contractors with low credit scores do not have access to this amount of cash. I have a lot of real estate. Will the surety companies take that as collateral? The answer to that question is no. There is a way that you could possibly use the equity you currently have in your real estate to obtain a line of credit from a bank, and this in turn can be used to secure the bid bond you need. We do not charge contractors to supply bid bonds. To qualify for bid bonds for contracts up to $400,000 with just a signature, the owner of the company will need the following. Number one, a credit score above 700. Number two, you need to have been in business for a year or have prior experience in the industry. Number three, the contract needs to be for construction type projects. For example, brick and sticks. For contracts exceeding $500,000, contractors are required to provide financial statements for the last 2 years and also a personal financial statement of all the owners. There are also programs that are available if the contractor's credits and financial statements are marginal. These programs generally require up to 25% of the contract amount. This collateral needs to be in cash or in irrevocable letters of credit from an acceptable financial institution. They will not accept real estate as collateral. In this type of situation, it is best for the contractor to attempt to secure a line of credit from a bank using the property as collateral. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our specialist Tom at 312-878-2372, or you could email him with any questions at tom, that's T-O-M, @farmerbrown.com. Thank you and have a great day.